Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it.
You can use the ArrayMap method to loop through an array, transform each item in it, and then return a new array. The ArrayMap method accepts a callback function as an argument, and that callback function accepts three arguments: the current item in the array, its index, and the array itself. Whatever you return in the callback function becomes the new value of that item at that index in the new array that gets returned. So, for example, I have an array of numbers here, 1, 4, and 9. And I want to double the value of those items and create a new array. I'm going to call the ArrayMap method on my numbers array. And inside my callback function, I'm going to take each number, and I've assigned a variable num for the current number in the array. I'm going to multiply it by 2 with the multiplication operator, and then I'm going to return that value back out. And I should get an array that contains 2, 8, and 18, the doubled value of each item in this array. And if we jump over to the console, you can see that's exactly what I get. You can also use it to modify multidimensional arrays in more interesting ways. So, for example, here I have an array that contains a bunch of names and occupations. And I want to get back an array of just people's names. I don't need this multidimensional array. I just want to get back an array of names. So I'm going to call the ArrayMap method on this data array. And for each item, I am going to return back just the item name. And I should get back a simple array that contains Kyle, Liza, Emily, Melissa, and Tom. Let's jump back over to the browser and reload. And you can see that's exactly what I get back out. So the ArrayMap method has a lot of usefulness when you're trying to take an array and transform its values in some way.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.